Facts about volcano eruption. 1. Volcanic eruptions are more than lava because it releases ash, gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. 2. The short-term cooling effect. Sulfur dioxide rises high into the stratosphere. It mixes with water to form sulfuric acid droplets. These aerosols act like mirrors, reflecting sunlight away from Earth. 3. The long-term warming effect. Volcanoes also emit CO2, a greenhouse gas. Volcanic CO2 is small, but over the years it can slowly warm the planet. 4. Local weather disruption. Ash clouds can block sunlight, causing darkness